Most people get this wrong. They assume Movo is just another payday advance or BNPL app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that Movo has become a versatile financial platform offering early wage access, installment payments, and spending management tools that help you handle short-term cash needs responsibly. Here's how Movo works. First, it allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours. This is great for unexpected bills, urgent expenses, or emergencies. Second, eligible purchases can be split into smaller installments over a few weeks, with flat, predictable fees rather than traditional interest. This makes it easier to budget and plan repayments. Movo also includes dashboards, reminders, and notifications to help you track spending and upcoming payments. These features reduce the risk of late fees and encourage responsible usage. The downside, overusing Movo can be expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments can quickly add up, and relying too heavily on the platform might mask deeper financial challenges. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or split payments you can realistically repay. 2. Enable notifications for upcoming payments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on Movo. Who benefits most? Individuals with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or weak repayment habits may pay more than they save. In conclusion, Movo in 2026 is a practical and convenient tool, but only if used responsibly. Track fees, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for more honest financial app reviews and actionable tips to stay in control of your finances.